it's not. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, so what is the DSC? Alright, this is pretty huge. Google. When have you seen on campus a project by Google? It's pretty rare. And we're so happy that Google we have this organization by Google. So that's so cool that Google is coming to LSU. So that's the biggest thing. They have 4 main programs that build the community, and the DSC, Developer Student Club, is one of them. Right? It's a pretty stretched out. It's the first time it came to North America, right? And it's everywhere. And wow, I'm so excited about this. Like, think about it. LSU, in the whole of Louisiana, there's just one, and that's us. How happy are you? Like, just by show of hands, how happy are you? Even if you're not happy, just raise your hand. You make me happy. Just give myself a good day, right? And it's everywhere. Look at this. It's like it started off in Asia, and then now it moved over to North America. You know, first when I saw this map, I thought it's a map of like the disease outbreak, like a newscaster was like, and the new chicken virus has gone everywhere. Look at all the outbreaks everywhere. But then I realized it cannot be that because there's not even one outbreak in Australia. Australia, they're the most craziest people. Salmon, the kangaroo, and they do crazy stuff. If anyone has to get the virus, it's them. They don't have it, then it's not a virus. So this is all the DSCs around the world. This is pretty important. Our mission. Why are you doing all this? Why am I here? Why are you here? Well, you're here because you want to learn Android, right? What's the main thing? First, which is very important, is we want to empower people with industry-relevant tech skills. The industry relevant is extremely important. Because we're not just here to tell you something that's never going to help you in your life. This is extremely important. I cannot stress this industry relevant more than how much I'm doing now. And how much I'm doing now is pretty high. Industry relevant. So what you're going to learn now is what the companies are going to do. The same practices that we teach over here are what you're going to be coding at your internships or jobs in Android. So this is pretty huge. And the second one is build tech solutions to solve community problems. Anyone has an idea, by the way, of what do you mean by the second solution? Want to give it a go? I'll give you a hint. Community problems. Community. Anyone wants to give it a try?
World hunger. Like
Sorry?
poverty, world hunger, like that kind of stuff.
Good try, yes. But yeah, absolutely, this is extremely good that you said. So these kind of common problems at the end of society, we try to find that out. But think of it like on a smaller level. Like this is like poverty, we cannot, come on man, we're in college. We don't have that much money to end poverty. So it's like some small solutions, like think of like some group of people, they have some problems with the bus service, right? How many of you used campus transit? Bishop fans? All of you? And how many of you are excited? And how many are pretty satisfied with the whole clicking or calling on the thing and registering? I'm not going to see any hands, I know that. Because this is what, right? So this is a pain point that everyone is suffering from. Because I'm going to wait too long, right? So yeah. Also, what's in store for you? So these are 3 main bullet points. We learn new skills, Android data structures, build real-world solutions. Using this knowledge, we solve community problems. So you have on your resume to show like big projects that you're being part of. Third one, you meet new people. Today we met Dr. Duncan. Dr. Duncan is extremely highly respected, esteemed, and especially for the freshmen, he's extremely famous amongst the freshmen. So you just met with amazing people and perfect. 3:32. Okay, perfect.
Please don't, my laptop.
Right, perfect. So, Vaishnav fans, how many of you are actually excited about this? You can be honest. Yeah, you don't have to make me happy. Just be honest. You can be honest. Pretty much all of you. That's pretty nice. Why I ask this? Because Android is not like your LSU stuff. Alright? Android is highly applied. You're not going to be like with a book. Oh, alright, I'm going to note down this formula. I'm going to note what's O of n squared. Who cares for all that? Right? When it comes down to actual programming, yeah, that's perfect. Wow, alright. So when it comes down to all that, you want to know exactly you want to learn the exact thing that makes you happy. And judging by your response, if Android makes you happy, then I'm going to give you everything that you need, everything, like to make you an industry level expert, right? So the first step in this whole thing is we download Android Studio, right? Now Android Studio so have you heard of like NetBeans? NetBeans, right? It's the equivalent of that. NetBeans or any of IntelliJ. So let's first download Android Studio. So first, it's best if you take your laptops out and you want to follow along with us, and I'll show you exactly what place we want to do. Oh, Harold, does your screen go all the way back? Does your
No, please, no. No, stop.
This is laptop. So if anyone wants to just come over here and try just getting all your anger out, this is a laptop to go for, alright? It's not mine, I don't care. Okay. No, so let's, alright, so perfect, we all got the laptop now. Cool. Do you want to follow?
No, I'm good.
Perfect,
Yeah.
that's all good. Alright. Alright, so let's Google search. Alright, so I just Google search Insta Azure Studio. You can do like Google search anything related to this, and it's usually yes, it always says you go to download, and it takes you to the whole thing. Perfect. So you all here with me? It's pretty easy. Yeah, right. Okay. I'm judging everything seems okay. Then we download Android Studio, and yeah, naturally the usual things like read and accept the terms and conditions, and then download Android Studio. And now the thing is that Haran has already downloaded it, so I wouldn't download it. You might have downloaded it to show everyone.
Oh,
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
is it fast?
Yeah. So it says 3 or 4 minutes left. So I'll give you some time. Till that time, if anyone wants to do Irish dancing over here to entertain us, it's alright. You can just come out. Or if anyone has any anger, that oh, there's too many exams, too much stress, a nice release point. Let's go for it.
Camera's laptop. Yeah.
So we have 3 minutes. So, and this is a good thing that I know when your download will be done because it's almost going to take the same time. So yeah, 2 more minutes.
I just have a question.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I know like it's you can use Java, but they're also talking about this Kotlin.
Ah.
What is that?
Absolutely.
And all I gathered is they're related or somewhat similar.
That's a very good observation because if you are unfamiliar, Java is what you're going to be using to make Android apps. Isn't that cool? Because Java is what you're going to learn in LSU. So all these skills, they're going to contribute towards, so if you have some knowledge in Java, you're already like, have a good head start in Android development. So that's good that you mentioned that. And the second language that you could use is Kotlin. Yeah, but Kotlin, we don't want to use that because we don't use it at LSU and none of you have prior experience with that. So we're going to stick with the much more familiar Java. And both of them gets the job done pretty equally. So yeah, we're going to stick with Java for now. Yeah, so any question, any comment that you have? To be honest, there's, yeah, if you want to talk, anything, how you feel.
He's done. Is everyone done?
I'm not.
Oh, yeah, and let me know if you're done. Yeah, so you're done and I can always see the energy level going down. Let's play some much more complex sport. In my hand, I have an invisible American football. I'm going to throw it and you guys have to catch it. And throw it back into the room.
Aloha.
Throw the football that I threw you. Is it invisible football? American football? It's out of the field. And the referee threw it back. Alright? Cameraman, alright. It bounced back from his head and came back to me. Right? And to you.
Yeah.
28 seconds left. Quick, this is a quick pass. I gotta go from there. Right, 18, 17 seconds left. Right. At this point, we do the huddle, but then we just shake hands, general congratulate. Yeah, we won the match, man. It's alright. Yeah. Knowing if you're playing 10 seconds, you're not gonna win. Just 2 seconds left. Perfect. So, how's it like? Has everyone close to finishing or has it been done? You want to tell me your names too? I want to remember. I'll try my best. Yeah. What's your name?
Zach.
Zach. Nice to meet you, man.
Grant.
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 Grant. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name? Sorry. Marcelina, yes, perfect. Nice to meet you. Harold, I know you. There's one introduce.
Call me Aaron.
Aaron.
Aaron, yeah.
Sorry, Aaron?
Uh-huh.
Alright, Andrew from Andrew, third junior. Alright, what's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea, perfect. Nice to meet you. And that's Albert.
Albert, yeah.
And that's Victoria.
Yes.
Victoria?
Yes.
Oh, Jessica the third, junior. They're cousins. They have some relatives. Anyway. Alright, so everyone's here now? Perfect, perfect. Alright. So I'm gonna install. Thank you for recording it. I really appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
So, and if at any point you are ahead of me, then just go ahead. And if you're stuck, then let me know. So you don't have to go along with me. So yeah. So we'll just install Android Studio, and I'll talk about a little bit of what we're going to do today. It's customary. Whenever you learn a new computer science skill, you always have to create. Anyone knows what it is? The Hello World app, absolutely. So if you create a first Java program, what do you usually print? Hello World, absolutely. So if you're on an Android phone, well, you can't print anything, right? So you create a text box that says Hello World. A text box that says Hello World. Yeah, Hello World is. So I'm not really sure
I think it will take time to download the SDK, so.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, so just click next.
Can you see the perfect screen? Like what? Exactly. Oh, you can download it. That's cool.
Yeah.
Everybody's
Everybody's
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm going to lose a lot of calories for doing this. Perfect. Okay, sorry.
I can go around and see for you if you want.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yes, Aaron, please.
Okay.
Aaron. Good. And then install. Perfect. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. Alright. Victoria, are you installing what I go?
Yes.
Good, perfect. You don't have to. I mean, if you don't follow this, it's totally fine. Like,
Oh, no problem.
Yeah. But then you won't get the free dog. That's just a clear-cut thing. The free dog that I may or may not get, just directly disqualified. Oops.
Yeah, most likely it won't work, yeah. Just open the, yeah.
This is your soccer app. That's going to be a soccer. Is it that? Sorry, you asked a question?
Do you suggest the dark theme?
Oh, yeah, absolutely, yeah. Go
Yeah,
for
for
the
your
app.
eyes, yeah. I
Yeah.
recommend that.
Yeah.
My eyes are very weak, so.
Yeah.
Plus it's sexier.
No, it's not.
Oh, you're talking about me or? Oh. Okay, yeah. So I'll open a.
So the first time, I'm guessing they would need to download.
Yeah.
So
I think you have to stop. Perfect.
Yeah.
No, this is perfect. Yeah, you only have it's going fast. Good answer. Oh, yeah. Good. Yeah, you want to go around?
okay.
Yeah. Just help.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Told you you can get for students, go to like JetBrains and then create a school account with the LLC, and you get access to like all of stuff. Yeah, it's they're the same, I think they're the same.
So how do you look into fragments and how they install it?
Almost done. Yeah.
Just please let me know when you're done, so we can move on with this.
An extra 3 minutes. Set everything up too.
Sorry?
You still have to wait.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, I think the first time you create a project takes time, right?
Oh yes. So what Harry is saying is, first time you create a project, it takes time because some components are there that haven't got
Yeah.
installed. Yeah, and those are something called SDKs. So some of them will be downloaded along with the thing that you downloaded now, the main Android Studio. But some of them have to be downloaded again. So it could take some time. So yeah, the first time it always takes some extra time and frustrates you a little bit. But that's why I'm here. I'm going to help you out. So you'll be fine. So okay, I think you're done, so I don't want to bore you. So you want to click the start a new project? Because yeah, you're just waiting for everyone, so want to click start a new project. Others, they can take their time, but I'll just go with you and then I'll repeat it again with everyone. Alright, so start a new project. Perfect.
No, let's wait. No. Okay. He's done. Finished. Yeah.
Cool. Alright, so this basically all.
Oh yeah, wait. Almost done. Yeah. Oh, just one more laptop.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Just one more laptop.
Perfect. Nice. That's really good. Nice. So Hans, let me know, right? And then, oh, just go.
Yeah, no problem.
Is it done?
It's not done, but
Oh no, okay.
okay, just wait then.
Yeah,
Okay, it's
sure.
done now. Just go. Go now.
For sure. So you're in the space.
What?
I'm sorry, I forgot your name. Mus, is that not your name?
Marcelina.
Marcelina, perfect. So
Alright.
are you on this page? Do you have something similar to this?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, if you don't have it, give me on. So we'll wait. Not a problem.
No, she's done.
No. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now let's start a new Android Studio project. Right. So so everyone's on the screen. Perfect. Now I'll just quickly tell you. Activity is a unit that you see. So whatever you see on the screen is an activity. So initially we don't want to see anything. We want to add everything by ourselves. These are like templates. So let's create empty activity. So empty screen, and we add everything ourselves. Right? Now you come to this page. So the first thing is name. Name is your project name. So we'll just call it Hello World for now. So this is your main project name. Right? Now you'll see something called package name. How many of you have heard this thing, package name? Absolutely, right? In Java we have that in the top, your package and thing. So the usual convention is the reverse. I'll go into it later. Yeah, just keep hello world, save location by default wherever it gets the save location, just let it be. And
Change the package name just because it's fun. Just change it to something. You can
something else.
Yeah, just call it com dot first app.
It's alright. Yeah, it's your choice.
Just know you can change it whenever you want. It's
No,
Okay.
Thanks for the suggestion. Absolutely, yeah. Really appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's your choice. Like, yeah, you can do whatever you want in this. Everyone can
you
change
can
it.
do whatever you want.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
And then we'll click finish. Oh, okay, if you have, okay, let's click finish. So now what it's doing is using the information that you entered, it's building the project for you. So this, okay, I'll explain just in very quick, in brief, I'll explain this. So Gradle, which I won't go into detail now, but it's a little like high level, it builds the project for you, right? Building meaning all the files it creates it for you. Don't worry, you can understand later. And so let me know when you get this tick mark at the top.
And if you don't, just let me know. I can come.
Absolutely, and help you out. So if you get the tick mark at the top, that's when your project is built. Built meaning complete. Now you can start developing it. The project has to be built, then you start developing it.
Yeah, but I think it takes time to like download the Gradle for the first time, right?
Wait, so has anyone encountered any problem with that one?
Yeah, they have to download the Gradle first.
I mean, mine's still going.
Oh, so yeah, then I think it'll take some time, but if you get any problems, let me or Harry know. And cool, perfect. Is the small font troubling you at any point? You can You can change it if you want. Yeah. Just let me or her know how to change it. Yeah. Perfect, perfect. Alright. If you get this, then click private to and allow access. Yeah. So if you get any permission thing that says allow on this network, there will be two options, public and private. Select both. That's kind of important.
I didn't. Can I change that?
Oh yeah, and in the future, yeah, you can do. There's a way how to do it. Yeah. I was a bit of a cough, but sickness hasn't been gone, so I'll be coughing a little bit. Perfect. So, when how the status now? Done. Perfect. And how is it still going? Still, yeah.
I think everyone's happy. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. So two done. And how is it? Good. Still good. Perfect. Yeah.
One second. Okay, go.
Perfect. So just to confirm, everyone has reached, like the build is done, right? Yeah, perfect. So now your build pane will be like this. Click on the minimize on the right. That gets rid of the build pane. Now we don't need it. That gives us more space. Now on the top you'll see there are two tabs. These are similar to your Google Chrome. There'll be tabs, alright? Two tabs there. One of it is this code, that Java code. The other one is your .xml. You can see it, .xml. This is your visual thing. What exactly the user sees is in the .xml. And what code is written behind the scenes is in your .java. Right? So actually, they've already given this hello world text to you. Right? So we don't have to do anything. Alright, so workshop is done. Bye guys. Yes, we've done it. Good collaboration for you. No, so now this doesn't give us any fun. So let's keep the hello world as it is, but let's try to change it a little bit. Because look at it. Does it seem appealing to you? It's so small and the color is great. We all have a different taste. So let's change it up to your taste. Unique to you. I won't even tell you what color to use, which font size to use. Change it up as you wish. But how to change it up, that I'll tell you. So in order to change attributes, this is a keyword, right? Attributes. You want to say, what's the keyword? Attributes. Perfect. What's attributes? Attributes are things of a view, like size, text view, text color, text size. These are attributes of the text view. So in order to access them, click on the view. This is another keyword, view. View means a component on the screen. It'll get familiar. I'll just tell you quickly now. You click on the view, and on the right in your attributes pane, this is called the attributes pane, this right thing over here, it gives you a whole list of attributes. So the most common ones are displayed first. If you want to see all of them, you click on all attributes. It's going to be damn interesting, I'm telling you. Now you're like, it's going so slowly. It's going to pick up. Like, yeah. So let's go to all attributes. Right. Now in this, just let me know, honestly, like, what do you want to change of it? What, you want to change the color, text color? By show of hands, somebody you feel you want to change? Right, a lot of you, right? Good, so I'll let you know how to do it, alright? So in your all attributes, when you click that arrow for all attributes, scroll all the way until you find text color. So if you have found it, just let me know. You found it, cool, and where's found it? Text color. Yes, perfect. Yeah, I found it. Perfect. Everyone's found it. Cool. Now click on this box, this square box, and select the color of your choice. And just a quick thing, I don't know why automatically this slider was all the way here. Put it all the way to the right, Right? The left means transparent. The right means opaque. Right? So I don't know what happened, but if it happened to you, then slide it all the way to the right. Now I changed mine to red. So you can mess with this and change it to whichever you want. When you're satisfied, just let me know. Take your time. Yeah, just take your time, absolutely take your time. And when you are satisfied, just let me know. Perfect, I got 1, okay. 2, perfect. 3, perfect. Done? Perfect, alright. That's very good. So, and okay, so now let's try to change the text size. So text size is over here. Use fonts attribute text size, click on it, and type any number that you want. And at the end, click enter. And actually at the end type SP. Why are we doing it? I'll let you know later, let you know it later. But at the end of every number, just type SP for now. That's the general convention. SP is a unit, a screen unit, like centimeters, meters, pixels. SP is a unit. So I changed mine to 40 SP. And when you are satisfied with yours, perfect, perfect. Alright, now I'll since you know the thing, just pick up paste. Font, let's change font. Find font family. That's how we change font. These are 3 most important things: text color, text size, font. Go to font family and click this drop down menu and select the one that you most appeals to you. And when you're done, let me know. Perfect, go on, okay. Oh, you know what, let's do this. When you're done, just shout out your name. So that's why I can remember your name.
Zach.
Zach, alright, Zach. So when you're done, just shout out your name. Grant, perfect. Zach, Grant, okay. Victoria. Yeah. Andrea, perfect. So Zach, Grant, Victoria, and Andrea. Perfect. Masarina, perfect. So yeah, alright, cool. Everyone's right. Good. Now, what we see over here is just how the app will look. But just run it on the phone. Alright, so how many of you have Android phones? You have Android phones, but the rest of you, you can leave. Yeah, just take stuff, package stuff, back. Right? No, but this is not needed. You don't need Android phones for this. Surprise! This is the Android workshop, but no Android phones needed. Why? Because there's something called emulators. So you don't even have to have a physical Android device. So click on this play button on the top.
But they have to download it first.
So
go to AVD Manager, right?
it will like when you click play, it will I think tell you what to do.
Oh, it will?
Like, let me just see your laptop and see what happens.
Quick play says error, app, no target device.
Oh, so please click here, no devices. Drop down menu. Oh, open AVD manager. Oh, alright, so I got it. So please click on play. You mind if I take your laptop and plug it in so I can show you? Perfect. I'll do everything for you. You can pay me later. It's cost $20. Right? Right? And
Just put it, yeah.
perfect. And nice taste. I would say. Yeah. Alright, so now click on no devices. when you click play, you'll get something say error, no target device found. That's all right because we haven't set up the emulator. So now click on this no devices thing, and then click open AVD manager. Alright, we are following along. Yeah, cool. Open AVD manager. Now it says create a virtual device here. Click on this create a virtual device. It's synonymous. Virtual device is synonymous to emulator. So now you find. Let's stick to an easy one. So the Pixel 2, that itself is good. The Pixel 2. These are all the screen things, the resolution, whatever. We are not overly concerned with that, so let's click Pixel 2 next. Alright, now here's a big part. So, alright, how many of you are here by the way? You're on this page? Yeah?
Yeah,
Perfect?
very good.
Perfect. Alright, so now this is a big thing. So, these API levels that you see, these are equivalent to the updates. So, a higher API level means the more recent update it is. Like iOS 10 is more latest than iOS 9. And as a result, iOS 10 has some extra features. Alright, so now let's update to the latest one and click download. And accept. Just download, accept the usual stuff. And now you should get something like this downloading. And it's a huge download, 1.1 GB. So it'll take some time. And everyone's here by the way, right? Haven't everyone's here?
Yeah.
But now VB.download sign. Next to the thing that you downloaded because you have downloaded it. So just let me know when you're here. Cool, all of it are cool.
No.
No, we'll wait now.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. Just let me know when you're here.
It's at 64%.
Yeah.
That's at 64%.
No, I think the best thing, hand, if you'll help her out and I'll move a little bit ahead.
Yeah, that's much better.
Perfect. So now we click next. Alright, we have selected this Android cube and we click next. Alright, now this is a cool page. So it gives you an AVD name. Leave it as default, you won't change anything. Startup orientation, leave everything as default and just click finish. Alright, this is exciting. You've created your first Android emulator. So congratulations, this is a nice step. You now have an Android phone on your laptop. Like how cool is that? Can you believe that? You don't have a physical device, but you have an Android phone for free. For free, you just download a phone on your laptop. It has so much money. Alright, so now when you click close, you can close it. You can see that this Pixel 2 API 29, the device that you just created, is selected over here. So now if you click play, something exciting happens. I think now I will give you a back. Thanks for working with that. Now just try it on this too. Perfect. So you got to see what happens. Got to see?
Just play
Yeah.
run. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So now what's happening is it's building.
It's building another project.
Oh no. Yeah. So wait. So yeah. So actually, if you click on the build pane on the bottom, you can see the progress of your build. Every time you run a project, it has to build. Alright. So now the project is being built. So we wait. So have you seen the actual app?
Just relax, please.
Cool, it's loading.
Yes.
And you want it to. Oh, cool, it's done. So yeah, perfect. You get to see it soon. If you want to just see it.
I'm not sure. I don't recommend that. Okay. Just restart the Android Studio.
Yeah, there's no chance on power down, but yeah, once it's on, then it will. So we can close now. Close this too. Yeah. So now once in this, yeah, it will come up.
Wow.
Yeah. So once you have run the thing, let me know so I can ship it to her.
Okay.
And yeah.
So,
Well, so let's see the app on this one. How cool is that? Like everything is clickable. Like this is not just an Android screen that you're seeing. This is an actual Android phone. So everything that you can do on an Android phone, like increase the volume. And yeah, it's a bit slow because it's your computer sharing resources with its actual computer and for the phone. So it's going to be slow. That's understandable. But it does everything. You can change the rotation. Like an actual Android phone. That's so cool. It takes some time. This is understandable. For every laptop, however fast it is, it's always an appreciable lag. So yeah, we can get it done. So cool. First of all, congratulations to all of you. You've created your first Android app, your first fully functional Android app. How excited are you by show of hands? Just raise your hand if you're damn excited. And if you're too excited, then put both hands up. And if you're extremely excited, then come and give me a hug. And that's nothing to do with this. It's just because I'm a lonely man and I have no friends. That's totally not related to the Android workshop. Yes, I'm looking for friends. Alright. So cool. So now yeah. And you just let me know when you are done running the app.
it was on the.
Oh, it's right off. Okay, whenever it's at 0%, it usually shuts down immediately. So let's wait for it to 1 or 2%. So no, what I recommend is you will make some more changes and then you can run it together. Yeah. So let's start. Cool. So that's alright. Amazing. Now let's we have a few more minutes. Now let's mess with something even more interesting. Image views. Text is alright, but images, they're so colorful, vibrant, they bring a whole different energy to your layout. So let's build an image view. So all of you, let's go to Google Chrome or whatever browser that you want. And I said Google Chrome because I think we all can agree Bing is totally out of the picture. Like anyone using Bing or Edge, I'm sorry Microsoft, but hey, this is Google. Anyway, who cares? Alright, so let's search for a picture of your choice. So I'm going to select one of my favorite characters of all time, the legendary man himself, all the way from Pawnee, Indiana, the incredible Ron Swanson. And as a matter of fact, I'll even talk like him. I'll even talk like him, like Ron Swanson. And I'm from Pawnee, Indiana. And with me, I have Councilwoman Leslie Knope. Alright, so now you select any picture that you want and download it to your laptop to a location of your choice. Let's save image. And let's go to the desktop. I'll save the desktop, we can delete it later.
It's okay.
Save, cool. Desktop. And if you find the format is different, like the format that I downloaded was JFIF, which I don't even know that exists. So now we have less time, so we don't want any errors or something. So it might work. It of course will work, but just to be safe, I'll download something that has, yeah, JPEG, perfect. Well, I think it's a JPEG, but it saves it as this. So cool, so we'll use the first one. Perfect. So when you're done, let me know. Take your time, be as creative as possible. Choose whatever you are extremely interested in. And let me know when done. Shout your name out. I mean, am I going to are you clear like exactly what we're doing? We're downloading an image. That's it we're doing. For now, we're just downloading an image.
Zach.
Download it, cool, Zach, cool.
It has to be a JPEG.
No, it could be anything. No, leave it. It could be anything. Victoria, yeah, cool, you're fine, cool.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
It's the highest res picture of movies. Any size limitations to have picture?
This is a good question because higher size. So this is a very important point. Higher resolution images are harder to draw on a screen. Like more resources of the phone is used to draw it. So technically, you want to stick with just the resolution that's needed. So going with high, it makes it more efficient. That's complex programming concept. But yeah, for now, there's no limitation. anything that you want. Yeah, that's a good point. Absolutely. Resolution is pretty important in choosing images. For now, just choose anyone. Cool. And let me know when done. I think, yeah, Zach is done, Andrea is done, Victoria is done. And cool, you're done, cool. I'm sorry, your name here? I actually always forget. Marcelina.
Marcelina.
Marcelina, yeah. Alright, it's a trick. Marcelina. Now I won't forget your name, Mr. Jessica. Alright. Now, alright.
Grant.
Grant. Alright. Perfect. So everything's done. So now we're going to import this into Android Studio. So in your Android Studio, go to the res and click on res, and then click on drawable for now. It's not correct, but we'll just keep it in drawable for now to save time. And now in your Windows Explorer, open that too, and find the thing that you downloaded. So I saved it at desktop, so I'll go to desktop, and I'll find it. I found it. Now I will drag it. Now this is a little important. So drag it in this. You'll see a red outline of a drawable. Everyone got that? So I'm releasing now. So it will import it in Android Studio. So I released it, and now it gives you to this. Just click OK. It's alright. Okay, so there's a. Okay, so I got a beautiful column.
That's a nice
that
image.
dot. Yeah, so I got a beautiful column. It's dot JFIF. Anyone download that? Dot JFIF. Cool. So I downloaded and it's giving columns. So let me download like a normal picture, like usual. That's disappointing.
Try typing it manually, maybe, like the .jpg at the end into the file name.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Let's try to do that. Hi.
Yeah.
Nice, good idea, man. Yeah. Okay, so I made a bit of a problem, and so now I will copy the correct one. Perfect. So, yeah, perfect. Mine is loaded. And if you double click on your thing, your image, right? You double click on this, you will get the character. I mean, the image that you downloaded. Everyone here with me? Everyone's fine? Andrea, Grant, Zach, and Marcelina, and Victoria, and Albert, and Aaron. Yeah, and by the way, what's my name?
Rohan.
You know it, but what are the others?
Rohan.
Did I tell you my name?
No.
I didn't tell you my name. My name is Albert III, and I'm part of the great Albert dynasty. My name is Rohan. Rohan Kantor, I'm from India. I'm not from this country, and I came here to study. I'm on a student visa. Yeah, that's something. If I tell you anything more, then you tell the police, and I can't let you know my age. For legal reasons, I'm 21. Just so that I won't get in. Anyway, so you have done this picture. Now, the most interesting part, you get to show this picture in your app. So let's go to the activity and let's go main.xml. We have 2 minutes. We can do this. So let's see. In activity and let's go main.xml. Go to your palette and select image view. Right? Just click once. And now we'll drag it onto the screen at the place that we want. So I'm dragging it. I want it somewhere here, in the middle of the screen. And now it gives me this screen. So this means the screen is which image do I want to put in the image view. Image view is a container. Which image goes in the container? Is that kind of, am I explaining it well? Image view container. Which image in the container is the image that we downloaded. So let's select the image that we downloaded. I think it's in project. Yeah, it's in project. Project, and then click the image that you downloaded. Oh, okay. Okay, so usually something like this happens, and the image that I downloaded doesn't work, but how's it working for you? I'm making it a blank image, like it's blank. So this is called like when you download, I downloaded the wrong format, something like that happened. So how's it going on for you?
Only one. I had to download two images because the first one didn't show up.
Sure, yeah.
Only one, two. So I had this picture, which is a doll, and this picture of the moon.
Cool. Yeah. Sometimes something like this happens, and it's hard to figure out why. It's usually a resolution or some stuff like that. So now let's click OK and let's see if it works.
It's really big picture.
Yeah.
It's like 9,000 by 9,000.
I'm pretty sure like it won't work. So,
Yeah.
alright, 420. So I won't keep you guys. But but at least now we know how to do it. And next workshop I'll probably explain and we'll go over it properly. And I'm even going to advertise this even more to a level that I thought like you can't even believe is possible, and like more people should come. This is not something that just a few people should learn. This is something the whole community of LSU should learn. So yeah, so thanks a lot for attending. Like this is, and congratulations to all of you. You have created your first Android app. Like I'm pretty excited. How excited are you? Like by show of hands, how you made your first Android app? Absolutely, you made your first Android app. Let's just say that again. All of us, let's just repeat it. I made my first Android app. Absolutely, it seems unreal, right? Your first Android app. Yeah. So thanks a lot for attending, and please keep attending more. You might be like usually when less people attend, people think that it's just one of those waste of time things, one of those shenanigans. It's a waste of time. Don't think of this club as this way. Alright? This is absolutely cool. A lot of cool stuff is going to happen, and things like this going to you're going to build amazing stuff and learn amazing skills. So thanks a lot for attending, and cool. So see you, hopefully all of you next time. And so just give me your mailing addresses so I can send you the job. Yeah, it'll be mailed because all of you pay attention. So the job's going to come your way. Yeah, so thank you, and see you. If you're coming from the data structure, it's tomorrow, and the next Android is Wednesday. Yeah.
What time?
A good question. So 3 to 4:30 every day, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday Android. Tuesday, Thursday, data structures and algorithms. So I'll put it up.
That's on Wednesday? Yeah, go at least one more time. Does that okay?
See, thanks. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Here's the title if you want.
I have your smartphone. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Man.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright,
Yeah, thank you. Go on. Yeah, sorry.
I'll see you on Wednesday.
See you on Wednesday. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's the time. Yeah, Grant and
Zach.
Zach.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, man.
Yo.
Yeah, see you.